Your shadow dancing in the dead of night. Every heartbeat pulling me away, but there's a wall that we can't break today. Whispers in the dark that tell lies. Chains around our dreams we can't disguise. We're close enough to touch but worlds apart. The fire's in my soul but not my heart. It's out of my hands, I can't hold you near. The harder I fight, the more it disappears. We're caught in a storm but we can't take a stand. I want you forever, but it's out of my hands. Your eyes are lightning in a silver sky, but fate keeps turning as the days go by. I feel your heartbeat echo through the crowd. We're screaming love, but we can't shout it loud. Every step I take, the ground falls away. The closer I get, the more you fade to gray. Our song is playing, but the needle skips. Your name is poison on my trembling lips. It's out of my hands, I can't hold you near. The harder I fight, the more it disappears. We're caught in a storm, but we can't take a step. I want you forever, but it's out of my hands. We could have been the spark, we could have lit the dark. The world's got rules we'll never bend, and every road we take just circles to the end. It's out of my hands, I can't change the tide. The truth is a cage, and we're locked inside. We're caught in a storm.